Welcome to it, the Dream Maker Station's second annual car show. And the day started early, checking out of our motel in Vega. And then right down the road to Adrian. And the car show participants already cruising in. Dream Maker Station at the midpoint on Route 66 there in Adrian, right next door to the world famous Midpoint Cafe. And people already there checking out the midpoint, and the car show participants already set up. It was a beautiful day. A little windy, but it's the Texas Panhandle. That's absolutely normal. And no, that's not a Stanley Marsh sign. Pontiac. And Doug's Comet. Doug is one of the cruisers on the Texas Old Route 66 Association Motor Tour. And he'll be in that Comet again this year, cruising.
If you are at the car show, please be sure to lift your hood. It is part of the judging. Please lift your car hood. Thank you.
All kinds of rides. 2 beautiful Mustangs. And a rat rod. Is that the right description? Classic Chevelle. Edsel. And 2 Fords. They're the same, but they're not. Old Route 66 at the midpoint. There will be some times where the audio drops out totally. That's because there was music playing and there's copyright issues. So we'll leave it right there.
The San Bernardino Freeway, Merlandale Raceway, serving Southern California from Pasadena.
Again, the weather was great. Food trucks, high quality, great stuff. Midpoint Cafe next door with their usual fare, everybody wanting pie at the Midpoint Cafe. Jason's Cobra Shop, you might say. Right there on Old Route 66. Jason knows his Fords. Yeah, right off there on the right, you can see I-40 as we stand shooting this video on Route 66. That close. The story this guy gave me, I see if I get this right. He just found this basically a few weeks ago. Down in South, I want to say Central Texas somewhere. Just got it running, I believe, weeks ago. I was shocked. I didn't see a 57 Chevy at the show, but there were 2 Cobras. Yeah. Check out this Survivor, man. Yeah, I saw that Chevelle in town earlier in the day. Beautiful. A Roush Mustang. Black Horse. And the classic Mach 1. Lots of travelers coming to check out the midpoints, and they were quite entertained with the fact that a car show was going on too. Beautiful Mercury. Saw this ride on my drive in. Another beautiful Ford. So well done. Sweet truck. And this one would later be an award winner. Man, check it out. Yeah. That one really sounded nice when it was time to go home. And this Pontiac had a beautiful paint job. Clean engine. Very well done. Square body Chevy in the Panhandle. Imagine that. Oh yeah. That's right. At the Midway on 66. Nice Ford. Drove her right in for the show. More of that Roush Mustang. And the Mach 1. If there was any doubt. More of our cruisers on the Texas Old Route 66 Association Motor Tour. That green Ford. All the years I've been on it, that green Ford's been on it. So's this yellow Ford. It's for sale. Believe it's an Oldsmobile. No, Chrysler. Another sweet Mustang of the Cobra variety. I love these kinds of cars, man. Survivors. A Buick Electra. 4 doors. Now that's a Marsh sign. And the awards that are about to be given out. There were plenty of door prizes. There were some raffle items. And then, time for the awards. And that motorhome has my buddy Dwayne driving off. Yeah, it's time for a photo op. There's Brady shooting lots of pics.
All right, so for that cash prize, door prize, for that first winner's number is 318475.
the original
Now the
make
awards. Here we
and
go.
model. Carl Barfoot for the 1970 Challenger. Congratulations, Carl. I want to thank too also our judge today, Ernie Turner, who's been judging car shows for 15 plus years, so I asked him to do it today as well. He gets down to the nitty gritty, and he just informed me that there was quite a few that was only a half a point off. So that's close. So, People's Choice, a 2012 Shelby GT 500, Mike Chavez. Is that how you pronounce that? Okay. Well, congratulations, Mike. Thank you so much for coming today. Thank you again, everybody, so very much for being here.
Hang out as long as you want. Hey, Kelly, you want to get the trophy winners together real fast? Take a picture.
Absolutely. Oh, hold on a minute. Who was best in show? I'm sorry. Who was that? Chris. Would it be all right with you if I put your Cobra on the front of our car show t-shirts next year?
And our winners.
Kelly, where's your phone?
In there, though.
Congratulations.
Yes. We're Kelly's, and he told me...
There's Jason on the phone. And Kelly posing with the winners. And more photo ops going on at the midpoint. Everyone's about to line up for a great photo. Midpoint on Old Route 66. And the Dream Maker Station second annual car show. What a day it was, man. Great time had by everybody there. And thanks to Jason and Kelly. Dream Maker Station. And the judge, Ernie Turner. And my motel in Vega. And Buc-ee's. Hey, thanks for watching. Do comment. Feel free to share. And most of all, we'd love to have your subscription to Keith Vaughn's YouTube channel, Keith Vaughn's Flying Circus. And here's some other content. Please do check it out.